channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Raijintek OPHION Elite SFF chassis. So friends, Raijintek has announced the OPHION Elite, which is a mini ITX enclosure designed to fit a wide selection of hardware, and it enable user to store compelling hardware with adequate cooling and have peace of mind usage. And it supports the mini ITX motherboard, a maximum of 7 fans, including two 120 or 140 fans on the side, 120 fan at the bottom, two 120 or 140 fans at the front, and 120 or 140 fan at the rear, and 80 fan on the top. And it boasts full-size VGA cards, compatibility, and regular ATX, EPS, PSU support. And there is room for three 3.5-inch HDD drives for 5 2.5-inch HDD or SSD drives. So if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.